day, everybody. We're starting our day out today at, what is it called? Bang Bao Pier or something like that.
Bang Bao.
Bang Bao Pier. So we're here with Andy and Quan, and we're going to walk around and see what they have around here for us to see today. Hope you enjoy watching with us. I found the ice cream here. Oh, they got a bunch. They got others in here too.
Chain coin 5 baht.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, it is nice. Here's your swimming suit.
You want it, baby?
No. No.
So cute.
Yeah, this is the first time I could tell we're actually on a pier. Can smell it. This is at the very end of the island from where we're staying. Can't drive any farther down the road. Well, there's another wooden pier way out there. We'll probably try to work our way to that. Just trinkets and stuff to buy here if you want to come into this. Lots of different clothes.
I didn't notice the water underneath.
Yeah. Yeah, we're actually on. I can see out there. These are tour boats over there. Be kind of hard to sustain a business here. There's not many people around. It is a weekday though. Swadee krap. Thank you, you too. Looks like they have bigger sizes here too. That's rare. So anybody that's coming here and needs extra clothing, all you gotta do is come in here and find it. Oh, cannabis. The lazy hour. Buy your products here. The pier just goes on and on. These are all just markets in here. Seafood restaurant here. Huh, not sure what these are. Might be little bungalows to rent. I can't read anything. Good morning. The restaurant here, Bakery Cafe. We got here in time to catch a tour boat going out. Like once the people started loading, it didn't take them long to get them on and get out of here. They actually walked through this big boat to get on the smaller boat. Well, it looks like it's about to sink already. Yeah, it must be leaking like hell. The bilge pumps are going crazy, pumping it out. It moves on out of here though, it gets going. They told me don't go on these steps because they're not load tested for big boys. Looking pretty bad. I'm gonna give it a go. Oh my God, they are kind of struggling with me. I'm making it though. It seems to be getting better as we go up. Oh yeah. I made it up. Great view. We're just only halfway up the lighthouse. See if we can look down and see. Oh yeah, I see somebody down there. Hello? Hello?
Oh, Bobby. Finally.
Oh, we surprisingly got Jai to go up on the lighthouse. The lighthouse in Koh Chang, Thailand. Jai is up on the middle deck. You have to walk up a spiral staircase to get up there, and it's really rusty. Andy and Quan down here at the bottom, they've already been up there.
Okay, bye-bye.
We stopped in for lunch today at Annie P's American Diner. They've got the world famous pastrami, so I see some folks are eating pastrami. We got Andrew and Quan here with us, and Dave got to love Thailand. And there's the owner back there. Okay, we all got our meals now. We got me and Andrew and Dave got the pastrami sandwiches. Quan got a super duper single patty burger, and Jai is having French salad. Well, she can share my French fries, but she's having salad, and the rest of us are eating well. Looks very, very good.